Hello again, fellow YouTubers and railway enthusiasts. Well, I've only gone and bought yet another O-gauge locomotive, this time in the form of 55011, the Royal Northumberland Fusiliers. I really am going to have to stop buying these. I've now got 15 locomotives and I think I won't be buying any more. So I already have two Deltics in the form of number 22 with the silver embellishments and number 15 with the Finsbury Park white cab surrounds. So I thought it would be a good idea just to get another one in standard BR blue, but this time with some factory weathering. Just a quick look at a bit of the factory weathering, which is light. This model arrived safely with no separately fitted parts having fallen off, which is always good. I will of course be getting some etched nameplates for this. This is a close-up of, I believe, number one end. Always found it difficult to know which end was which on the Deltics because they kind of look the same at each end. Here's a little bit of the grime on the roof, and especially around the exhaust ports. Once again, I'm extremely satisfied with this model. Maybe the weathering could do with a little bit more, but for now I'm satisfied with it. Again, the light appears to be playing tricks with regards to the shade of blue this model is actually painted in. In reality, it does look accurate and completely different from what you're seeing on this footage. Here's a look at some of the detailing on the buffer beam. Heljan are really good with the transfers. There's never any bleed. Transfers are always very crisp. The Deltics were true beasts. So there you go. That's the Heljan O-gauge Deltic, factory weathered and numbered. Thanks for watching.